Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Chainlink or Link. So if you guys are interested in Chainlink or you have or hold Chainlink, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video as we give about daily updates on what Chainlink is doing as well as the price predictions for the future. So right now we are looking at a 25.65 Chainlink. This is moving very, very fast. So every time we refresh, we will get a different price point. We actually see it right around, like I said, $25. We saw it below 25, about $24 for a little bit there. It's just one of those coins that's moving very, very quickly with the volatility of the market right now. Obviously, it could continue to decrease. I do think we have a chance that Bitcoin reaches close to 28K. I don't think it will actually go straight there. It may reach 28K, but there's going to be a lot of volatility in the next couple days and weeks, and I think it'll be juggling around 28K to about 44K. So we'll see exactly where Bitcoin ends up, hopefully on the higher side and higher end, and gets above that 44K to break out of this. But it'll be great to watch, Chainlink continue to be at a great price to buy. So everybody that has an opportunity and has that fiat, they are currently spending it. I'm sure of that. I know a lot of you guys are taking advantage of these dips, and it's probably one of the best things to do. I mean, there's not much else to do besides hold and buy the dips. So we are going to be seeing great recoveries after, this is all over. I think, in a couple weeks or months or even, I wouldn't say years, but by the end of 2021, I think we are going to be back on part two of, really this bull run. I think, part two is going to be even a bigger and better spot to really be holding and really being a part of it, because these institutions that are selling and, making and taking these profits are going to be buying right back in at these, very, very small prices of 30K Bitcoin. They're going to be buying right back in. And Chainlink's one of those that is valued at very, very low amounts right now. I mean, $25. If you guys don't know exactly what Chainlink is, it does so much for us, and it has such a bright future. If you guys don't know, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that empowers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to the external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So jumping straight into, I want to take a look at one of my first tweets. So this says, if Link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 Link. So definitely take advantage of this, guys. Go follow me on Twitter and retweet this tweet. Get your 50 Link by the end of the May if we are not above $40. Hopefully we are above $40, and I can just do another giveaway saying I'll give 50 Link away if it's not above $60 next time or something. So we'll keep going until it's that 50 Link is given away. I have it all stocked and ready to give to you guys. So we are going to be giving it away at some point. Either way. So thank you guys so much as we push closer and closer to 100K subs. I will say, guys, subscribing to the channel, turning notifications on, and like the video really does support me. So if you would do that as well. Jumping into some of the stuff I want to talk about today, Chainlink Oracle networks provide decentralized applications with tamper-proof and up-to-date price reference data for a wide range of DeFi assets. Build highly secure markets around Wing Finance's native token by integrating the Wing USD Chainlink price feed today. So they just talk about, really, their tamper-proof and up-to-date price reference data is just one of the many things that really Chainlink can do. It has so much utility behind the coin, and that's exactly what you see when you go to their Twitter. You see all of these new things they're doing, all of these really integrations, like I said, and partnerships that make Chainlink what it is today. So Chainlink Virtual Hackathon 2021 runner-up, Nifty Royal, will integrate Chainlink VRF to securely and fairly select winners in its NFT battle royales, enabling curated drop participants to take part in no-loss elimination games for one-of-a-kind NFT prizes. So this is a big deal as well, continuing to see, like we said, partnerships and integrations take place. They're also excited to award a grant to Stacks.org to support Stacks Accelerator. This grant will help fuel the growing ecosystem of devs who are using Stacks to build hybrid smart contracts on Bitcoin that leverage Chainlink's secure off-chain services. So yet again, really utilizing Chainlink's ecosystem as a whole, or utilizing, I guess, what Chainlink is capable of doing. Now we have the DFund project will use Chainlink price feeds within its decentralized hedge fund and P2P lending platform on Ethereum and Polkadot. Chainlink's premium data and time-tested infrastructure ensures DFund's DeFi offerings are more precise and robust and resilient. So like I said, a lot of partnerships and integrations. If you take a look at their Twitter, I just want to cover some of the biggest ones today. These are all within, I believe, the last 24 hours, which is just insane. Obviously, seeing what's all going on during these, even Chainlink decreasing during this kind of stuff taking place is really just crazy, and it shows that the market is really bringing Chainlink down. It's not Chainlink bringing itself down. So let's take a look at the actual official website real quick, see what it's all about. So connect your smart contract to the outside world. So they talk about Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. And that's a big deal, obviously showing that they can really utilize any blockchain. They can make themselves really useful on any blockchain, which is not something that a lot of coins can do. And I think, that's exactly why Chainlink is so valuable, is exactly this, the idea of reliability and obviously tamper-proof inputs and outputs for those smart contracts on any blockchain. So if we go down a little bit, I do want to talk about, like we talked about, the reliability, tamper-proof network. They talk about the seamless connection to any API, proven and time-tested solutions, and transparent Oracle computation, and a highly secure and flexible infrastructure as well. So like I said, guys, this is one of the coins that I am most bullish on for this 2021 bull run still. I think it has so much left in the tank. Obviously, we are very, very low, almost below a $10 billion market cap, which is unbelievable. Chainlink, in my opinion, should be, an $80 billion market cap right now, or $60 billion market cap at the very least. It's just crazy to see it really just, bleeding out like this. And it's great that we're going to get these price points again before the major increase in part 2 of, Chainlink altogether. So, there's positives and negatives. You just got to think of it as a glass half full and not half empty. Obviously, a lot of people are going with the half empty, and you got to realize what you're getting available to you guys. If you don't have money to put in, you already used all your money, that's perfectly fine. We're going to go back up. It's an ecosystem that really strives off these big volatility moments. So I think, a lot of new investors are taking advantage of this. There's a little bit of fear right now, and when that fear kind of clears out, we are going to have a lot of greed, and that's exactly what we want to continue to see this push up. I will say, guys, there is a great opportunity for people to buy, and we all know this. So we are at $25.75. I do think, we'll stick around this $25 range for quite some time, depending on really where Bitcoin, it will probably follow, like I said, the most of, other Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin's actually at 36,000 now. Like I said, it could go all the way down to 28K. So we'll see where it really takes Chainlink as a whole. But every single, top market cap coin right now is, seeing about double-digit decreases. And that's just going to happen every time you see a market crashing the way it is. So we'll see what happens with Chainlink, but I'm going to go into price predictions for you guys now. And do remember, these are very conservative price predictions. And also remember, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. Chainlink's one of those coins I think is going to bounce back from this very, very heavily. I think we see a $40 coin by the end of May alone. And that's going to have to be a pretty fast recovery, obviously coming from a potential maybe $23, $24 Chainlink, depending on where this really goes down to. We could even see it go down to $20, even less. But realistically, Chainlink's going to bounce back all the way to $40 in my opinion. We'll see how fast the recovery is. A lot of people think it's going to be a slow recovery, and that's definitely possible, but I'm hoping for a $40 price target for Chainlink by May. By the end of June, I think Chainlink could easily see about a $50 price point. I would say really realistically, if we get to $40 by the end of May, June should be a great month, and I think, we'd see about a $60 to $70 to $80 price point by the end of June. Going into the end of 2021, that is where we are going to see Chainlink push around $200 to $400 in my opinion. $200 to $400 is still going to be at a value that Chainlink should have had already. I think Chainlink's going to continue to push. A lot of people just don't really understand the utility and the use cases behind Chainlink, and that's exactly why we're valued at this $10.9 billion market cap. We'll continue to see new investors really take advantage as we get more and more investors really taking advantage of these altcoins now, like Cardano instead of just Ethereum and Bitcoin. So it's great to see that taking place. I'm excited to see, really, I think BTC dominance is going to drop significantly on this recovery. And I think, that's exactly what we need for Chainlink to continue to take some of those investors' money and really just, like I said, push farther and farther. So it's going to be an exciting recovery period when it does take place. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on and like the video to get those notifications. And, we'll talk about it all the way through. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.